Hey, good evening, everybody. How you guys doing? My name is Ron Hippolyte, and pretty much I want to take a few minutes of your time just to address a few things. First thing first would be what would it take for you to wake up in order for you to start thinking about your country, which is Haiti. Whether you have a different nationality, if you were born in Haiti, or if you have families or parents who are from Haiti, I believe Haiti is one of our responsibilities as well. So even though we may have families to take care of, we may have our jobs, at the same time, if we are related to Haiti in any shape or form, I think the time is now for us to take actions to help those Haitians in Haiti. Meaning, we don't need to wait for a hurricane to come. We don't need to wait for another earthquake to hit Haiti in order for us to take actions, in order for us to say, let's donate or let's go do something for the people. I believe Haiti is in a really bad shape right now. I just came from Haiti back probably like about a month ago or 2 months ago, less than a month ago, where I've witnessed a lot of poverty. A lot of misery, to say the least. You know, it's really hard down there. So I would definitely say the time for us to take action is now. The time for us to wake up is now. We shouldn't wait till somebody die or till another earthquake hits or another hurricane for us to take actions. When I say actions, you don't have to do it $1 billion, or you don't have to go to Haiti and do something that worth thousands of dollars. I think it's the little things that we do, the little steps we take, and it's the little baby steps over time that will get the country out of poverty. It's those baby steps, you know, over time that will help the people, you know, being able to experience a different type of lifestyle. And that's all I have to say today about this little video. It's not me taking your time or trying to gain something from it, but it's just a wake-up call saying, hey, it's time. There's no perfect timing, right? There's not, oh, if I don't do it today, I'll do it tomorrow. If I don't do it this month, I'll do it next month. So nothing is guaranteed in life. So if you can do something today, get it done. So you might as well, you know, not wait for tomorrow or wait for next month to do something for Haiti, because it's been 214 years. It's been 214 years since this country been living in poverty. The people in Haiti been living in dire poverty. So I don't think Haiti can wait anymore. And I think us young Haitians who are living around the world should be able to stand up and take actions. When I say actions, it can mean anything. It doesn't mean you need to spend money. It doesn't mean you need to physically go to Haiti. But at least it means for us to stand up and start talking about Haiti more. Start coaching the people. Any type of help we can give, or any type of, you know, effort, you know, we can do. You know what I'm saying, to help the people or to help the country get out of poverty. I said, let's do it. Let's do it. It's not just about Haiti. It can be anything or any country. It doesn't have to be specifically Haiti. So for me, as a Haitian, you know, was born in Haiti. So of course, I'm talking about Haiti, right? But it doesn't mean if you wanna help Mexico or Africa or a different cause, you cannot do it, right? The idea is to take actions. You know, let's make the world a better place, so everybody can get a chance, you know, to experience life. Because poverty is not the best kind of life that you want people to be living. So, you know, the Haitian people been living in poverty for over 214 years, and I think us young Haitian, we need to take a step. We need to take a stand and say no to poverty. We cannot erase poverty over in a few months. But I believe with the little efforts, the little actions, the little baby steps, we can get to a point where, like, you know, the people can have a better life and live in a better place. Again, my name is Juan Hippolyte, and that's the message I have for you today. Hopefully, you'll take actions. Hopefully, you will help somebody else who is in need. And that's what I got for you. Another time, we'll talk a little bit more. Thanks.